If you touch me here, they hear me. If you touch me here.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here on the channel. Anyway, this one is from top big boys in the music space. I'm talking of people like Patrick Ellis, who is like one of Nigeria's favorite producer, who has produced a whole lot of hit video songs in Nigeria. They were all together with Timaya and Phyno in the US. They've been in the US for quite a while now, and about some few days ago it was actually Timaya's birthday party. The entire highlight on how he celebrated the birthday party with Patrick Ellis, Phyno and others, Techno and the rest of others in the US is what I'll be bringing to you in this video. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment. I want you guys to help me answer this question in the comment section. Why is Phyno and Olamide not giving us hits back to back again?
If you touch me here, they hear me. If you touch me here. Who your phone?